My name is Tangodanju. So actually trying to use webcam, but my recording keeps stopping, so I had to record the screen alone. So this is the welcome page for a user for the code generator site. So if I click on this, it should redirect me to the login page, out process. So this, sign in with my email. Alright, I want to sign in with my Google account. You can actually sign up if you are new. I created an account. I am signing in with my Google account. Okay. Okay, so this is the home page for the code generator site. Alright, this is the home page for the code generator site. So I retrieve the user's name and give a welcome, and now this actually generates new codes by clicking the new codes button, and you can actually share the codes on Twitter or Facebook, and you can actually copy it to the clipboard. Alright, so and also this voice feature where it can actually read aloud.
Doesn't trust himself, can never really trust anyone else.
Alright, so
By Jean-Francois Paul.
Okay, I'm going to search. It also has a search functionality, author's name and also tags. So I give an example here. So let's say I search for life. So life will return all the codes in the API with the tag life. So these are my added pagination. I limited the number of codes to 10 per page. So this is it. And actually you can also search for an author's name. Let's say I search for Laozi. So it actually returns all the codes from the API with this particular author Laozi, and he has about 41 codes in the API. So that's it for the search functionality. Now I also added a feature where a user can create his own code. So it says, hello Tango, you are here to create a code, create one. So let's say I'm creating one now. Okay, let's say I just create this. So, and it's you can actually add various categories just as in the home page where there's tags and the rest. Let's say life, and it's comma separated for the categories. Let's say love. Now I can actually do the same thing. Life, famous quotes, and the author's name. So this is it. And when I click the create button, it actually sends the data to the database and makes a get request from the database as well, from the API endpoint. So now I can actually edit this code here. I can actually say, let's just add love and leave the rest. Happiness and update. So yeah, it's actually updated. Happiness, love. So I also add the request for the complete. So when I click on OK, it deletes the code from the database. So that's it for the functionality I worked on. And let's log out the application. So yes, the application is logged out. So that's all. Thank you so much and bye. Sir!